In this instruction I will show you how to download movies from YouTube for free. Step 1. Install YouTube for iOS or Android. Open the mobile app. You need to subscribe to Premium. For 7 days, you can download and watch videos on your phone for free. Further cost is $7.19 per month. Step 2. Open Settings, then Background and Download. In Download Quality Settings, choose a quality for saving videos, for example, High or 720p option. Step 3. Find the movie by typing its title into the search box. Step 4. Tap on the title with the movie or video title, then tap on a download. Step 5. The movies are downloaded to your mobile device in the background. The files are then copied to Library, Downloads. It's convenient to watch offline YouTube movies with the built-in player. Keep in mind that the movie will be available for free offline viewing for a month.